Welcome back, everyone. I am coming to you on April 10th, and we got a nice green up going on in the yard here, as you can kind of see. It's been kind of a crazy spring. Got some rain. Temperatures have gotten hot, but then a little bit cold again as well. But all in all, the Bermuda is definitely woken up, and we're having some success with some growth. However, definitely has some challenges. Look over here, we've got some poana that's popped its head up. I did spray and didn't get the best. I didn't have the best success with it. I also did an update on using the Pro Plugger to kind of help combat this Dallisgrass, and you can see the plugs that I pulled, but the Dallisgrass is actively growing, so I think I'll have to be treating that again as well. Although I did get quite a few of the big sections taken out, so hopefully the Bermuda will kick in here, maybe take over those spots and start choking off some of that Dallisgrass. All right, just a quick little update here. I'm trying to get rid of some of my Dallisgrass, so what I'm doing, I'm taking the Pro Plugger, get out of the shadow here, and I'm taking it, and basically anywhere I can see that base of the Dallisgrass, I'm going in with the Pro Plugger and just popping it out. So you can see right here, I've got the base of the Dallisgrass, just setting the Pro Plugger on it, give it a couple twists, pop it out, come over to the next one. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed with my phone. Popping it out, find another base of one, and then just kind of continuing this on as I see, because I have everything cut and I can kind of see all these roots right now where the Dallisgrass is kind of thriving, and I'm just going through and basically pulling those out, these little plugs out of the ground, so you can kind of see. That's what the plugs look like. Dallisgrass in there. I'm probably not pulling all the root, but again, I'm just trying to ward off as much of it as I can. And then I'm just taking some potting soil. Had a good infestation of it here, and I'm just going to work that into the ground. Some more. And then when I'm done here, I'll run the irrigation, come back, and then top these holes off once the water's kind of worked it into the ground. And hopefully I'll knock some of the Dallisgrass back and given a little nice aerated section for the Bermuda to kind of move back into. Here we go. Nice rock in there, that's lovely. This is really made for my garden beds, but good mulch. There we go. And now I'll water it in. So you can kind of see how the Dallisgrass is just, I keep knocking it back every year, knocking it back every year. This year I'm going to be a little more aggressive. It doesn't like being cut as short with the cowl trimmer, so I think that's one reason. While I don't normally see it until kind of the end of the summer when I start raising the height of my cut back up, because I've, you know, start losing the battle to the heat in August and July here in Texas. So hope that's helpful. Kind of interesting how the middle of the yard hasn't really woken up completely yet, but definitely have some green up happening in there. I'm also fighting quite a bit of nut sedge this year, which is kind of interesting. Usually it doesn't come in until later on in the year, but you can kind of see it. There's a good example of it right here, coming up. So I'll probably be hitting it on today's Sunday. I'll probably cut today, and then on Tuesday I'll probably hit it with some nut sedge, or sedge hammer, excuse me, and see if we can't knock it back and give it a couple days to work. So but I am going to give it the first cut with the reel mower today. So that's really kind of the update to where we're at. So I will run some footage, and then we'll take a look at it after we mow. I'll let you know what height we're cutting at. I'm going to kind of figure all that out as I get everything fired up for the first time. So stick around. I cannot believe it's striping up that nice. It's cut low. I can't believe that it's that striped up. I guess the sun is literally right back there, so it looks pretty damn good, guys, for the first mow of the season. Obviously we have some problem areas, but it's tight. That's probably the tightest it's been. I think 2 years of mowing with the real mower has definitely paid off. You know, it's cut short, probably 5/8 of an inch, somewhere right in that area. It looks pretty good, even where it's slower to come in out here in the middle. It's definitely looking pretty good, striped up pretty good too. I will say that California trimmer does a great job of laying some stripes, so very, very good. I was going to try to cut it a little bit shorter, but I feel uncomfortable because you can see, you know, I am hitting dirt even at the level I'm cutting at, and if I were to take it down any further, it's just going to be a mess. So I need to do some more leveling. Hopefully I'll have the time this summer to get out here and put down maybe another 10 yards of sand and get it a little bit better off. Got some nice clouds rolling in. Gonna get some rain in the next 2 days, so I think the beginning of the season of cutting probably multiple times a week is now in front of me. So show you a quick view of the lawn inside here. Pulls a mess from all the wind that we have going on right now. There you go. Here's a little shot of the inside. Again, I'm cutting pretty short, but the green up is looking good. Need to do a little leveling. This spot right here has been having a tough time coming back in so far this spring, but there's a ton of green in there, so I would think after this next rain it should be in pretty good shape. So looks good, guys. So I'm not going to put down any fertilizer yet. I'm going to wait probably another week to 10 days, and then I'll probably put some fertilizer down once we get into the full lawn and we're pushing it. I haven't done any fertilization yet at all. Last year I did like a 13-13-13, but I think you know, looking at how the green up is going, I think I'll just wait and then go with my 2104 from the new fertilizer I'm going to be using this year, which we'll get into more detail in my next video. So I'll do a quick video of pulling plugs with the Pro Plugger out there, and that's the update on the yard. I hope your guys' April and spring is going good, and you guys are out in the yard enjoying a little mow and a little yard work. I'm gonna enjoy a bourbon, kick back and relax, and enjoy the sun before this storm comes in. So thanks for watching. Like if you haven't, subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate all your guys' support, and we'll see you soon back in the lawn.